Hi everyone, this is an unboxing video of a journal kit from a journaling store called Crazy Planner Lady Store. I am buying a journaling kit for the first time from any of the shops. So I got this journaling kit last month because this was their last month's theme. It's called Dior. I couldn't open it earlier because I got busy with something and I wanted to film it when I open it. So because I'm so excited to see what is inside. I already cut it open, but then the camera was not filming, so that's why I'm re-recording it now. This is the journaling kit. The theme is Dior, and I ordered these planner stickers along with this. So she has packed the journaling kit in this reusable plastic file. I already opened this cover earlier, so that's why it is torn. So these are die cuts of perfumes. So these are like really pretty and can't wait to use these. Then there are these curl stickers. We have 2 stickers each for each image. So next one is die cuts. Let's open. Now this is label stickers pack. So as the name says, these are like label stickers. Let's open. This is really pretty. This is also really pretty. I don't know, I'm liking these. So we have 4 of these circles, medium. This is the next pack. This is ephemera. Let's open this. This looks like those labels of perfumes and other luxury items. I kind of like the white ones slightly better than the black ones. Next we have is this papers and ephemera pack. This looks like those magazine cover. There are some textured papers as well, which you can do for junk journaling. So we have like 4 papers, which is like textured. This is the next pack. These are stickers. This is really pretty. This is nice. This is the full paper is a sticker. There is no cuttings and shapes here. These are stickers, like long stickers. Again, box stickers, they are really pretty. Box stickers. It has this vintage or old paper kind of look to it, like that yellowish color of the paper. That's the end of the pack, and then we have I have ordered this planner sticker. Along with, she has given some freebie. This one I had ordered to use it in my bullet journal. It just says errands. There are like, I think, 18 stickers, and these are the freebies. This one was part of the Dior kit. These are book related stickers. So many books, so little time. I like these freebies very much. Like, they are really they really can be used in bullet journals or any other reading journals or something. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.